What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how to repair your bike in Once Human. It's super annoying when it gets damaged, if not completely broken. There'll be a warning on your screen, or of course it just won't work outright. In order to repair your bike, head back to your base. Then, in your base, you'll need to craft one of these. So, hit B to enter craft mode, right-click, and head across to Facilities at the very top, followed by scrolling down, and you'll find the garage over here. You make it with 13 copper ingots and 10 rusted parts. The rusted parts you can get from collecting scrap in the world and heading across to your disassembler, where you'll be able to disassemble all of your random scrap to create, hopefully, some of those required resources. Then, for the ingots, obviously, you'll head across to your furnace and craft yourself some charcoal, then copper ingots. Now, once you've got both of these, you'll be able to build one of these down. If you haven't already got the ability to craft one of these, hit O to open up your memetics, then head across to Building at the very top and unlock Garage on the left side over here. You don't need to progress to it along the tech tree, it's its own separate thing. Once you've unlocked this, you should be able to build and place down your garage. Now, head across to it and hit F to manage your vehicles, find your bike, and hit G to repair it, and hold F to confirm. Bam! There we go. The bike is now repaired. You can also skin it here, customize it, etc. if you have anything like that available. Anyways, that's all for this quick video. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.